Could this be the only backpack you'll ever need for your outdoor adventures? We're diving into the 110L Men Hiking Bag Camping Backpack, a massive rucksack designed for climbing, trekking, and travel. First impressions. This thing is huge. We're talking 40 cm by 40 cm by 83 cm. That's a lot of space. The army green color gives it a rugged, tactical look, which I personally dig. It's made from a waterproof, high-quality nylon, which is crucial for unpredictable weather. The sheer volume of this bag is impressive. The main compartment is cavernous, and the multiple zippered side pockets and mesh pockets offer excellent organization. No more digging around for that one essential item. A clever feature is the zipper pouch behind the shoulder bag and the top zipper pocket, perfect for quick access to things like your phone or wallet. For those who like to fish, the portable rod design with fixed buckles and webbing is a nice touch. It securely holds your fishing rod, freeing up your hands. Comfort is key when you're carrying a heavy load, and this backpack seems to address that. The breathable mesh pocket on the back is designed to minimize sweat, which is a welcome feature on long hikes. Plus, you have multiple carrying options: single shoulder, handheld, or the traditional double shoulder. This bag is marketed towards men, but honestly, anyone who needs a large capacity backpack could use it. It's ideal for travel, mountaineering, camping, cycling, and climbing. It really does seem like a versatile piece of kit. The material feels durable, and the stitching appears to be well done. It definitely feels like it can withstand some serious wear and tear. The soft back design might not be for everyone, as it doesn't offer as much rigid support as some other backpacks, but it does make it more flexible and adaptable to different loads. Overall, the 110L Men Hiking Bag Camping Backpack is a serious contender for anyone needing a large, durable, and versatile backpack. It's not the most streamlined or lightweight option, but the sheer capacity and thoughtful features make it a compelling choice for extended outdoor adventures. If you need to carry a lot of gear, this bag is definitely worth considering. It's a solid, well-designed rucksack that should serve you well on your next expedition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.